Hi, my name is Manmohan Pisapati. I am the General Manager Service, heading the service operations for Olympus Motors in the states of AP and Telangana for Audi, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam. I have been in the automobile industry for the last 21 years and with Audi for the last 1.5 years. At our Audi Hyderabad workshop, we are using Hunter aligner, balancer and the tire changer. We've been using this for almost 1 year from now. Even before that, we were using the Hunter aligner, and now we have added up with the road force balancer from Hunter along with the tire changer. We've been using many other wheel aligners as well during my career, but when it comes to the Hunter aligner, I have seen that the precision levels of doing the alignment was very good. We have never come across any of the steering cross problems or anything with the help of wheel aligner from Hunter. And also the clamping system is very easy and the technician can complete the alignment in a couple of minutes. Earlier the technician was not in a position to complete more than 4 to 6 alignments a day, but today we are in a comfortable position wherein the technician can be completing around 8 to 10 alignments a day. So with my previous organization, I've been in touch with Madhu's team for a Hunter road force balancer, but somehow it did not work. And I was impressed by seeing the road force balancer at the customers meet that was held in Hyderabad somewhere in September 2018. After that, I was decided that at any point of time I need to have at least one road force balancer from Hunter, and that came true in the year 2023 when I joined Audi Hyderabad, and we were able to solve several of the problems that the customers were having. Earlier there were problems of the customers coming up with vibration, wobbling at higher speeds, but now we are able to solve it, and also the pull is being taken care with the help of the road force balancer. We are able to ensure that the customer vehicle is being driven in a perfect condition. The tire changer that we got from Hunter helps us in force matching when we are doing the road force balancing, and at the same time the time taken for replacement of the tires has come down drastically by almost 30 to 40%. This helps us in increasing the productivity and also reducing the strain that is taken by a technician who is working on the replacement of the tires. There is no problem that we have been facing. The service has been apt and they have been providing the guidance to us. There are times wherein their technician is present almost within half an hour to 1 hour of time when compared to any other manufacturer wherein we have been using the tire changes and the aligners, wherein those manufacturers were taking days of time. But Madhu's service is always the best. They have a systematic approach of attending the customers' calls. They know how to assign the customers' calls. They know how to ensure that the customer's problem is resolved within the turnaround time that they have been specifying about. If I have to rate it on a 5-star rating, I try to see if there is any 6th star available. So I should thank Madhus for giving me very good suggestions regarding the machines that we have to use at the workshop, and these machines have really helped us in increasing our productivity and also increasing our business. Our revenues have gone up, and also the tire changer that was provided, it has all the additional fittings wherein it will be making our life easier to get the tires changed at a quicker rate. Thank you. Thank you, Madhus, for helping us in making our customers satisfied.